So we're at the Morgan County Archives, and John Allison is once again going to help us with some. Now, this was an event that I didn't even know happened, and it's very, very important because it plays a part in America's history in itself. It all happened here in Decatur, Alabama. So John, tell us why we're standing in front of this chair and why it's so important.
Right. The room we're standing in here has our collection of the Scottsboro Boys trial photographs. These photographs around us in this chair are from the 1933 trial of Haywood Patterson. Haywood Patterson was one of the 9 defendants in the famous Scottsboro Boys trials. These 9 young men were accused of rape on a train that was going through Jackson County back in 1933. And those first trials actually took place in Scottsboro. That's where the name Scottsboro Boys comes from.
I see.
And actually, the first trials, all the defendants were found guilty.
Right.
And except for 2 of them who were too young, and there was a mistrial. There was a 13-year-old there. And so the cases went all the way to the United States Supreme Court, in which case they said you did not have, the defendants did not have a proper representation from their attorney. So that was the first of 2 precedent-setting decisions by the United States Supreme Court in these trials. The trials were moved to Decatur. And in 1933, it was almost like a festival atmosphere. Press came from around the world to cover this trial in little Decatur, Alabama. We were the change of venue. So this trial brought international attention. The defendants were actually defended by the American Communist Party. They hired a very famous criminal attorney to defend these young men. And this chair is actually from the courtroom of Judge James E. Horton, who is the famous trial judge in these trials.
Wow. So this is just amazing history, and it's all right down here. Tell us when you're open, and I guess if there's a website or any place where they can check that out, Facebook page.
You can check us out on our Facebook page, Morgan County Archives.
Okay.
And we post updates all the time about new rotating exhibits that we have here. Of course, we're also a research facility. We have all the old records dealing with this case, but we also have lots of genealogical materials. So anyone who has roots in Morgan County should come and check us out. But we're open from 8 to 4:30 Monday through Friday, and we're closed all federal holidays and most state holidays. If you suspect it may be a holiday, you may want to check it before you come on down.
There you go. Great parking. It's great. Very easy to find. I recommend you come down here and check out a part of history that was made in Decatur, Alabama.